previous video, we discussed that the lengths of four sides of a quadrilateral are not sufficient to construct a quadrilateral. We need one more dimension like the length of the diagonal or some angle. In this video, we will consider the case where along with the length of the four sides, we're given the length of one of the diagonals. So let's take an example. Pause the video and go through it first. Understand the question first. We have to construct this quadrilateral. Could you tell me what these four lengths are? Yes, they are the sides of the quadrilateral. And this one's the diagonal's length. Before we begin with the construction, it's always a good idea to draw the rough sketch of the figure we may get. Let's draw the diagonal PR first. It's 7 centimeters long. Then we draw PQ and QR, which are 4 and 6 centimeters long. And then we have PS and RS like this. This is how a quadrilateral would kind of look. Having the rough sketch in front of us makes it very easy to draw the actual quadrilateral. Observe that the quadrilateral is divided into two parts using diagonal PR. So there are two triangles, triangle PQR and triangle PSR. Now that we know that there are two triangles, we can start the breakdown of the construction process into construction of these two individual triangles. Let's begin with our actual construction. We consider the diagonal PR as the base. We'll be constructing the top triangle, that is the one over the base PR first, that is the triangle PQR. Let's start by producing a line segment PR of 7 centimeters. Now we need to draw the line segment PQ and QR. PQ is a 4 centimeters long line segment, while QR is a 6 centimeters long line segment. Place the compass on the point P and take the radius as 4 centimeters and draw an arc towards R, that is to the right of P. Now we'll be producing segment QR. Taking R as center, take the radius on the compass as 6 centimeters and draw an arc. This arc should intersect the other arc we drew earlier. The point of intersection will be the point Q. Label it as Q. Now join the points P and Q and also the points Q and R. We're done with the upper triangle PQR. We've drawn segments PQ, QR and PR. Two more lengths remain, which we'll be using to construct the lower triangle, which is triangle PSR. The length of PS is 5.5 centimeters and that of RS is 5 centimeters. So taking P as the center and taking 5.5 centimeters as the radius, let's mark an arc in the direction of R, but note that this arc should be below this base PR. Take R as center and with a radius of 5 centimeters, let's make an arc in direction of the previous arc that we made. Observe that these two arcs intersect. This point of intersection is called point S. Now let's join these 2 points and then these 2 points. We get the triangle PSR. Observe that there are two triangles, PQR and PSR, which share the same base PR. If you just observe just the outer lines, there's a quadrilateral PQRS with the dimensions as mentioned in the example. So with the lengths of 4 sides and a diagonal, we can easily construct a quadrilateral. What if instead of giving lengths of the 4 sides and a diagonal, we're given the lengths of 3 sides and the lengths of both the diagonals? Would it be possible to construct the quadrilateral then? Watch our next lesson to know the answer.